Vamos a tratar de salvar esta planta because it looks pretty sad. You know, it shouldn't be like that, this basil plant. And I want to see what it is, if it's getting to the end of its life, or too much water, or there's a root problem. Quiero ver si tiene problema de raíces, si está llegando al final de sus días. ¿Qué es lo que pasa con esta planta? So, we're gonna check it. La vamos a revisar completa. And we're also gonna repot this one. Y también vamos a mover esta. Because I also want to make some cuttings from them, but they're too small right now for that. Están muy chicas para hacer estacas, pero es lo que quiero hacer. So maybe I'm gonna put one of this in a hydroponic Kratky system. Voy a poner una de estas en el sistema Kratky, lo más probable. We're just gonna pour the dirt in here. Holy moly. Okay, that's what it is. It doesn't have drainage. Este macetero no tiene drenaje. And I just kept watering thinking that it had it. So that's what it is. Do you see this? Look how wet this is. Esto está super mojado. Yeah, that's what it is then. So no drainage, lack of oxygen. What is this? It's part of the pot? Supposed to go there for drainage, I think. Huh. Okay. I mean, I get it, right? Like this is like a water reservoir, so I just have to make sure that I don't overwater, but yeah, so this for lack of drainage, and then you get a water reserve. Tienes una reserva de agua ahí. It's like instead of using rocks or instead of using pebbles at the bottom, but you also have, it's almost like self-watering. Ya es como que se auto riega. Okay. Yeah, these roots are okay, they're not bad. Now some of its own dirt. Ahora un poco de la misma tierra que tenía en el macetero. Because it's too wet, that's the only issue with this dirt. Vamos a dejar a la luz until it gets moderately dry, hasta que se seca moderadamente. So we're probably gonna skip the water for 1 week. Vamos a saltarnos el agua por una semana. And yeah, that's for this one. Now moving to this, we said we're gonna try to make it hydroponically. See, this root system is pretty good. Este sistema de raíces está súper bien. See? Small pot, just 2 holes for drainage. Tiene 2 hoyos para drenaje, pero está súper bien. This is what you want to see in a plant. So this one actually looks pretty good. I just wish I could make a cutting from it, and I have 2 plants right here, right? 2. So maybe I can make one. I'm gonna make a cutting from it and that's it. I'm not gonna transplant it then. No la voy a mover la planta. But I'm gonna do a little cutting. One here and one here. They're very small, I know, but yeah, I'm gonna choose this one. So I'm gonna work with this one, and this is gonna be the main plant. either here, you know, it's gonna be either here or in one of these shelves. Like just one shelf for herbs. You know, like basil, like mint, sage. And right now I don't have one specifically for that, so I have everything mixed. See, there's another basil plant right here that maybe we can also check. Yeah, este basil también lo vamos a revisar en realidad. So now we're gonna deal with the cutting. I have the rock wool here. ¿Qué pasa? So I have the rock wool. Cronos, no, 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 no. Entonces tenemos cutting, right? So we just and we're gonna do this, yeah, just like this. I hope it grows roots. This is not the proper way, but I don't have any more right now, so there you go. Yeah, we just need to add water. That's enough. We can save this for a little salad. Vamos a guardar esta buena pequeñita ensalada que vamos a hacer más rato. Now we're gonna check on this one. Ahora vamos a revisar esta. Oh, see, this one's doing good too. Look at it. Came all together. Okay, so this one, como la vieron como acaba de salir, la acabo de romper, pero so no problem with this one. This one is doing good too. It's just, I think I know what it is. I think it's just the lack of light. Creo que es la falta de luz porque esta estaba en la ventana. It was by the window, and here we're not getting a lot of light anymore, or the light that we're getting is pretty weak at this time of the year. So it just have to be moved to a better lit area. Tiene que moverse a un área que tenga más luz. And that's it. Gracias, chao, nos vemos.